You should have watched the Math Antics video by now, and I just want to make sure that you got all of the correct answers while you were watching it. So, name the two sets in a function. Well, we have an input and an output. Another name for an input set is domain or X. Another name for output set is range or Y. A function can have exactly one output, and we use the vertical line test to see if a graph is a function. To be a function, the vertical line can touch the graphed line in one place at a time. In function notation, you replace the y with f of x. F of x means function input equals the output. And you can use f of x and y interchangeably. So at the bottom of this page, I gave you a chart. And we're going to write the words in that we should think of when we hear x and y. So when I think of x, I should think of domain. I should think of input. Or I should think of independent variable. And when I see y, I should think range, output, and dependent variable. All right, flip over to the next page. Functions, I'm going to show you how to identify a function. A function is a relation in which each input, or the x, has exactly one output, or y. So what I mean by that, the x value cannot repeat. And we don't care what the y value does. We don't care if it repeats or not. So when I look at a map of this relation, I see the 4 goes to 2, the -1 goes to 1, and the 1 goes to 1. These x's right here did not repeat. So this is a function. Let's look at the other one here. My -4 goes to 2. My 1 goes to -2, but my 1 also goes to 0. This is not a function. So I don't care what's going on with the x's, with the y's. All I care about are these x boxes. The same thing with the next one. All I care about are my x's. I have -3. I got a 1, a 0, and a 2. None of those repeat. So this is a function. Let's look at those x values over here. -3, 2, 3, 2. Uh-oh. I got 2 2's. That means this is not a function. Let's look at coordinates. I have -2. I'm only caring about x's. 1, 3, 5, 7. -2, 1, 3, 5, 7. Those don't repeat. So this is a function. Let's look at the other one. -2, 1, 3, 3, 7. Whoa. 3's repeat. So this would not be a function. This next part is a little harder to explain when you're not in person, but we're going to do the best we can. So I'm going to get my vertical line tester out. I happen to like to use my lightsaber for that. You will just use your pencil in class. So I hold my lightsaber up to this graph where this pink line is, and when I run my lightsaber, do you see how it's only touching the pink line like one time the whole time? It never touches my lightsaber twice in one place. So this, yes, this would be a function. Let's look at the next one. I'm going to run my lightsaber. It's not touching anything now. That's okay. That's okay. It's okay right here. Oh, no. Do you see how it's touching the pink line right here and right here? Oops, I lost my lightsaber. Right? Like it's touching right here and right here. It's touching two places. So when it touches two at the same time, it's like it's sending an electric shock. And so, no, it cannot be a function. On this one, it only touched it one time as we went through it. So this one's a function. Let's check this last one. It touched it the whole time, but it was only one area, so this is also a function. Let's check these dots. It's the same rule. I can only be touching one dot at a time when I'm going straight across. So touch a dot, that's fine. Touch that one dot, that's fine. Touch that dot, that's fine. Touch a dot, touch a dot. So I only touched it one dot at a time, so that's a function. Let's see about this next one. I'm touching one dot. Oh no, right here I touched both those dots at the same time. So because I touch here and here at the same exact time, this is not a function. All right, so I would like you to do some practice on your own. On the third page of your packet, I need you to do 1 through 6. This is actually the third page. Do 1 through 6 on this page. And then do 1 through 6 on the page I showed you right before this. That would be page 4. On this page, I want you to do the whole page. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There is no 9, 11, 12, and 13. So do the whole page. Skip a page, and on this second to last sheet, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, do those. So for all of these, you're either going to write, and you can be lazy, you can write an F for function or an N for no, okay? So each one will either be F or N for all this work. So it's like 25 problems, but I'm only asking you to write F or N. Thank you.